scenario will be individual, sorry, not the individual. It could be correspondence, periodic processing, correspondence, periodic processing. Okay, so basically all of you, whenever you are doing the correspondence periodic processing, accounts receivables, I mean for the accounts receivables and accounts payables, that means what all of you basically see. Correspondence means what? Correspondence means correspondence for a company means to communicate with the customers and vendors by sending them letters or account statements, invoice items, payment notices, etc. Okay, so that is the correspondence for a company. Okay, that means all of you, whenever you are posting the items or whenever you are seeing the display of the open items for the customers as well as the vendors, what will happen all of you? There will be a noted item. You got my point? There will be a noted item. That means suppose you have 90 invoices, I mean 90 open invoices and all. Okay, and you want to, I mean that customer wants to clear those invoices based on your accounting statement for the customers. Okay, on that particular point of time, we can able to see the that letters or accounting statements, texts or invoice texts or payment notices to the customers and vendors. Okay, using correspondence periodic processing. Okay, that is the point we have. Right on, ma'am. Correspondence for a company means correspondence for a company means correspondence for a company means to communicate with the customers, to communicate with the customers and vendors, by sending them letters, comma account statements, comma invoice items, comma payment notices, etc. Invoice items, comma payment notices, etc. So basically in SAP S/4HANA, a correspondence types represent a type of letter in the system. Okay, so just write down a correspondence type. Second point is a correspondence type. Make it as a second point. A correspondence type represents a type of letter in the system. A correspondence type represents a type of letter in the system. A type of letter in the system. Okay, so that's it, all of you. Basically, that is the definition you have. Okay, so whenever they ask any questions on the correspondence, why we need to use the correspondence and all, definitely they will going to ask you the question. Why? Because nowadays for vendor invoice management and for the open text tool, okay, so many people are using the correspondence for the periodic processing and all. Okay, so that is the letter of this statement. Okay, for account statements or invoice items or payment notices, etc. See, all of you, for every type of letter, a correspondence type needs to be created for every type of letter. Okay, so suppose if you are having the correspondence type, okay, and for the vendors and for the customers, you cannot use the same thing for vendors and customers. Okay, you need to define the correspondence types, okay, for the vendors as well as the customers. Okay, and then how? No. See, dunning is the reminder notices. So it is just that whatever the posting items you have, whatever the cleared items you have, whatever the accounting statements you have for the customers and vendors, okay, you need to update them. Okay, sending them is different and update them is different. Okay, so the point is that basically for every type of letter, a correspondence a type needs to be created. That's it, all of you. And at the same time, the correspondence types can be selected by the user when processing business transactions. But you cannot select the processing types, okay, when you run the dunning, right? Okay, or these business transactions are used automatically according to rules defined by the user or the system. You have the standard SAP systems, and at the same time, you have the user defined systems. Okay, that is user script forms could be there. In other words, basically it can be created only when you manually process payments or from the line item displays. Okay, so again, I'm repeating that thing. It can be created only when you manually process payments or the from the line item display. If you give the correspondence bank statements, automatically it will going to do it based on the automatic payment program or anything. OK, and you can use the standard correspondence types. However, if you want to make changes to them, OK, so copy the desired correspondence type and change the new correspondence types accordingly based on your choices. OK, now what we will do, all of you, our scenario is that according to the business scenario, company has to refund amount to the customer. And for doing refund, company posts customer credit memo, and that credit memo also sends to the customer. How it will be sent? OK, so that is the correspondence details and all right, all of you. So now create customer credit memo by using transaction code FB75, all of you. OK, so we will going to enter the details. Now what we will do is try to write down create customer credit memo by using transaction code. No, create customer credit memo. Create customer credit memo by using transaction code FB75. Using transaction code FB75. FB75. Remove the correspondence. FB75 and create customer credit memo. Create customer credit memo. OK, so now the point is that all of you, whenever suppose simple, you have posted the customer invoice using transaction code FB70. Now, I mean, you got the information that the posted item was not clearly mentioned in that particular amount. OK, whatever the amount that you have, that was not mentioned in your FB70 transaction code. Now what we will do? So we have to create the customer credit memo using transaction code FB75, right, for that particular amount. OK, simple order here. Now what we will do is go to the transaction code FB75. Go to the transaction code FB75. Simple, all of you. It is the customer credit memo and all. OK, so FB65 is for the vendor credit memos and all. Just take out the customer for your company code and take out the document at 13.08.2024. Okay, and give the amount as any amount. Okay, then next take out the GL account. Take out the GL account. No. This is not sales to thing. Okay, it is just a. I mean, credit memo means what? Whatever the invoices that you have posted. Okay, so you should revert that invoice. Okay, so return amount. Return amount to customer. So we are just doing this one. Return amount to the customer. Return amount to the customer. Then next, take out the GL account. So basically, this is the sales. Okay, sales you are taking right now. Correct. So the next one is so why? Because the customer account data to the sales account creator, right? Now sales account data to the customer account creator. Now see, there is a invoice. OK, now you want to revert them. OK, if you want to revert them with that particular amount, what will happen all of you basically? OK, you need to, I mean, assign the correspondence. Correspondence is nothing but there is a text paragraph. OK, for this text paragraph and all, automatically you need to enter the details for this particular customer, then why you are returning these invoices and all. That is the simple thing. And you need to attach them. OK, to attach each and everything. So you cannot attach long words in this line item of that particular text. You got my point, right? Now for that particular thing, what we will do? So there is a environment. See all of you, we haven't posted it. Simple thing. So we are doing it during entering of the credit memo. During entering of the credit memo, we are entering the correspondence. Correspondence is nothing but the letter of that particular customers credit memos or posting items or cleared items, anything that is their choice. OK, so there is an environment. Go up. There is a environment. See, this is the correspondence. All of you take out the correspondence. Take out the correspondence. So see all of you, SA06 account statement, SAP08 open item list, SAP10 individual correspondence. You have all these things. So what are all these correspondence and where we can able to configure each and every correspondence? OK, so you should know it as a functional consultant. OK, you need to know it and you need to fulfill that particular requirement based on their details. You got my point, right? So based on the ABAP also, you need to do somewhat changes in your individual corresponding configurations. OK, so suppose if you take out the SAP10 individual correspondence, select the SAP10 and go to the continue option. Go to the continue option. So see all of you, company code is tech and customer is this one. OK, make sure you need to enter the exact company code as well as the customer. OK, so go to the continue option. In that particular, whenever you are continuing the things, OK, automatically system will going to give you the document. OK, so whatever the things that you are entering, go to the continue option. Continue it. Not getting OK, it is running. OK, basically, yeah, go to the yellow option. Go to the yellow. Now it is running. See, basically, whenever you are continue with that particular language, that is English language, you are continuing with, right? So you can able to enter somewhat things, all of you. OK, so suppose you can just enter ma'am, dear sir or ma'am, dear sir or ma'am. OK, click on the enter. Thanks for your business with us. Thanks for your business. Thanks for your business with us. Hope to see you again. Hope to see you again. See, that is just our normal conversations and all of you. So yeah, so regards and tools ABC. Like what is your company organization name? Regards. Okay, after putting the comma, so you have to put your company code. No, sorry, company name and all. Okay, that is the choice. Now, all of you, whenever you are getting these details, okay, automatically we need to select one thing. Okay, that is correspondence you need to select for the posted items. You got my point, right? Suppose Tech Mahindra, from this Tech Mahindra, whenever you are returning the credit amounts, okay, that means credit memos and all for that particular customer, this mail will be sent to the customer automatically. Okay, so with the help of amounts and all based on the script forms, we can able to enter whatever the data that we want based on the client requirement. Okay, now what we will do is, so you are selecting SAP 10. Okay, so that is not the customized one. I mean, that is the standard SAP print forms. Okay, so you don't have any print forms. Okay, based on your company code. How we can able to do it? So that is the configuration we have for the individual customers. Okay, so this is the way you can able to enter the correspondence, all of you. So please try to remember that thing. Okay, nowadays most of the people are asking about the correspondence and all. You do one thing, give slash n, no issue, give slash n, give slash n. So all of you, we are doing the complete configurations for the individual correspondence. Okay, how we can able to enter it. Okay, that is the choice we have. Now what we will do, okay, no issue, give slash in and go to the navigation path. I mean, I will give you the navigation path. I will give you the navigation path. SAP reference IMG, SAP easy access, SAP easy access, SAP the financial accounting, accounts receivables, then periodic processing. I mean, accounts receivables or accounts payables, your choice. We are doing it for the customers only, right? So that is fine. Accounts receivables, then periodic processing, then print correspondence, print correspondence. The next one, F.61 as per request is give hyphen F.61 as per request is. No. After print correspondence, you need to give hyphen, and in that just give F.61 as per request is. As per request is. Okay, so this is the after configuration of each and every individual correspondence steps, all of you. Okay, now before that, so we need to configure each and every point, right? Okay, how we can able to configure? Right in the configuration steps, ma'am. First one is configuration is very important, all of you. Please try to understand the concept. Simple. Whatever the posting invoices you have, credit memos you have, open items you have, cleared items you have, accounting statements you have, you need to send each and everything to the customer through the mail using SAP script with the help of individual correspondence. Simple our scenario. Okay, so first configuration is define correspondence type using transaction code OB77. Define correspondence type. Define correspondence type using transaction code OB77. Using transaction code OB77. OB77. Then next step. Yeah, no issue. And go to the OB77 transaction code in SAP system. Go to the OB77 transaction code. And nav OB77. Go to the see all of you. Cross client means what, all of you? Basically, cross client. Why we are using the cross clients and all? In your interview, they will going to ask you the question. No, see, cross client is not related to the intercompanies and all. Why we need to use the cross clients? Okay, cross client is nothing but the all of you. Whatever the SAP standard defined scripts you have. Okay, so those will be included, and whatever the customized things that you will going to define, those will be included. So those things will be updated in the SAP system tables that we can call it as a cross clients. OK, please make sure about this one. Automatically, I mean, in the interview, they will going to ask you the question. OK, no issue. Go to the transaction code OB77. Now go to the new entry. You have the individual correspondence, right? What we will do is SAP 10 individual correspondence. Select this one and go to the copy option. Go to the copy option. OK, so see all of you. General data is account required. OK, account required means what? There is a customer account and there is a text, individual texts and all. OK, for that particular customer, we will going to enter the text right. OK, so that is the correspondence text we have. OK, now what we will do is remove the SAP 10 and just give on your name ZPRM. PRM1. Just give 1. Individual correspondence for your company code. Individual correspondence for your company code. Click on the enter and go to the Sibden and save it. Right. So now go to this local request or not transported. Yeah, no issue. Continue it. OK, so now what we will do is go to this notepad. Then next correspondence configuration is assign programs. Assign programs for correspondence types. For correspondence types using transaction code OB78. OB78. So here all of you, SAP has already provided the standard correspondence scripts. OK, then you can able to say it. OK. Yeah, now go to the transaction code. Now go to the transaction code. OB78. OK, so simple all of you. What we will do is you have the SAP 10 individual correspondence, right? No. You haven't created, right? You haven't created. See, don't be in a hurry. Select SAP 10 individual correspondence. Go to the copy option. Go to the copy option. So here we will try to take out the name of the print program. OK, that is RFKORD40 and name of the variant is SAP 10. OK, then text. OK, you have the text that is the one format text files. OK, which will be created by the ABAPS and all, that is F140_IND_text. OK, so based on our thing. So just give your correspondence, remove the SAP 10 and just give your correspondence that is ZPRM1. ZPRM1. Okay, ZPRM1. So the thing is that all of you, whenever you create the correspondence, you need to assign that correspondence to your company code. Then only it will be applicable to your company code customers as well as the vendors. You got my point, right? So click on the enter, click on the enter, and go to the save button and save it. Go to the save button and save it. Continue it. Okay, so this is the way you can able to arrange this particular correspondence to your company code. Now what we will going to do the another configuration. Go to the notepad and try to create determine call up functions, determine call up functions using transaction code OB79, using transaction code OB79. Okay, simple all of you. See, the thing is that if you want to call up the correspondence during document entry, payments, or document display or accounting displays, and you can able to do the mark the relevant option. Okay, that means what? Go to the transaction code OB79. You will come to know it. Go to the transaction code OB79. So here we will select the SAP 10. Okay, that is the individual correspondence. That means whenever you are entering the document, you can able to enter the correspondence. I mean, you can able to select the correspondence, and then next you can able to select the correspondence with the while you are doing the payments, and you can able to select the correspondence while you are in document display or accounting displays or anything. That is your choice, all of you. I will show you how you can able to select it and go to the copy option. Go to the copy option. Now just give your company code and change the correspondence and ZPRM1. Click on the enter. Now go to the save button and save it. Okay, so all of you, the requirement can be okay. During document entries only we can able to enter the correspondence. Okay, so rest of them you can able to untick mark it. Okay, so that is the business scenario. So we have all the 4 scenarios. That is our choice. Okay, so we can able to enter the correspondence. Okay, while entering the document entry, while doing the payments, and while displaying the documents, while displaying the accounting displays. Okay, so select 4 at any point of time. Okay, or at any point of document entries or payments or document display or accounting displays, you can able to select the correspondence. Okay, that is our choice. Go to the save button and save it. Go to the save button and save it. Now give /n. So we will going to see the individual correspondence, all of you. Simple. Okay, go to the transaction code. So you are in FB60. Yeah, go to the FB70. Go to the FB70. Yes, click on the enter and now give the customer. Give the customer. Okay, so do it with each and everything, all of you. Okay, now invoice date is 13.08.2024 and reference is correspondence. Just give the reference correspondence, write down correspondence and take out the text as selling material to customer. Selling material to customer, and then next take out the GL account, that is sales account. Give any amount and take out the GL account. Yeah, click on the enter. Click on the enter. Okay, so now it is fine, right? So reference is correspondence. Now what we will do, so take out the environment, come back, one step back, don't be in a hurry. Okay, so go to the environment, go up and take out the correspondence. Take out the correspondence. So make sure that company code and customer are same. Okay, whatever the details that you are entering and the English language key. Okay, So take out the continue option. If it is another language, all of you can able to do it. That's one also. Go to the continue option. Take out the yellow. Now enter dear sir or ma'am. Dear sir or ma'am. Sir or ma'am. The next one. Goods. No. Goods has been. Goods has been sent. Goods has been sent to the original address. To the original address. For amount of. For amount of. Or else original address for 10,000 rupees, or what is the amount that you have entered? Enter it. Okay, 1,500 rupees. Okay, comma, goods, goods will be delivered. Goods will be delivered. Goods will be delivered on time. On time by our organization, or else remove the our by organization delivery dealers. By organization delivery dealers. By organization delivery dealers. Dot. Yeah, put dot. And the next paragraph. Same thing. Whatever the things that we have entered, that is thanks for your business. Thanks for your business with us. Thanks for your business with us. Regards your company code, or else your organization. Regards. Right. So go to the save button. Go to the save button. So this is the normal, normal way you can able to post it. Come back, one step back. So now go to the save button and save it. See, individual correspondence for tech was requested. Okay, and whenever you save it, automatically it will going to save the details with the help of this particular thing. Now what we will do, so go to the document, display, go to the document display. Okay, so whenever you are in display document and all, you can able to enter the correspondence also over here. Okay, that means go to the settings, system, go to the system and take out the own spool requests. Take out the own spool requests. That means whatever the spool request you have. Okay, that is not generated. Okay, no issue. For the display document, we haven't generated, right? Only document entry we have generated. So what we will do is give /n, go to the transaction code F.61, or else I will show you in the SAP easy access path only, all of you. Come back, ma'am, give /n. Take out this accounting. Come down. No. In the SAP easy access only, we need to go at. Come down, take out the accounting. So this is completely related to the end user. Okay, take out the financial accounting, take out the accounts receivable, and take out the periodic processing. And then next print correspondence. Come down, print correspondence is there, right? Correct. So as per request is nothing but the all of you f.61. Okay. So yeah, that is the thing. Go to the as per request is, double click on it. Double click on it. Okay. Now what we will do. So what is your correspondence? Give your correspondence. Enter your company code. Enter your company code and enter the account type. Oh, no, don't enter any account type. We have to get it based on the, I mean, whatever the list is that we have generated, and take out the user, your username. OK, so good. No issue. Go to the execute option. Go to the execute option. So yes, click on S. A correspondent request was selected. OK, would you like to issue the request? That means the spool request, all of you. Simple, all of you. So LP01 is there. So that means what, all of you? LP0 means, what do you mean by LP01 and LOCL? I mean, LP01 is there and LOCL is there. So what is the difference between LP01 and LOCL? Automatically they will going to ask you the question. OK, that means what, all of you? LP01 and LOCL. That means whenever you don't have the integrated data with that particular tool, we will going to use the output device LP01. Whenever you are having the integration tools, like see, whenever you generate the print preview, or else whenever you generate the scripts for that particular document posted entries, or else payment posted things for that customers as well as the vendors, system will going to use the LOCL. OK, that is for the real time. OK, so automatically database will be connected to that particular service. OK, and then next, whatever the email that you are generating, I mean, whatever the PDF or else Word document or else Excel sheet that you are generating with that help of text is and all corresponding text is, we have written it, right? So that text is, and with that help of particular invoice will be sent to the customer delivery address. OK, it will going to ask you the details. But when it comes to this demo system, you no need, I mean, you will not going to have the LOCL. Why? Because it is just a demo system. So that is why we are just using the LP01. So in your interview, they will going to ask you the question. Try to remember it. OK, go to the continue option. Go to the continue option, LP01. OK, see, individual correspondent request has been generated. So for that one, so select the individual correspondence for tech. Go to the system. Go to the system. Go up. No. Select the individual correspondence for tech. Go to the system now. Go to the system. Go to the own spool requests. Go to the own spool requests. See, all of you. 23631. OK, spool request has been generated. What we will do? Select this one. Select the 23631 and go to the display. There is a display option. Display specs option is there, right? Display contents. See, all of you, for this particular thing. OK, right. Mr. Shreyans. OK, post office box is Jubilee Hills. OK, there is a Hyderabad and date. OK, what is that one? Your account with us. OK, so then next you have entered that particular text, right? So come down. So there is a text, dear sir or ma'am, whatever the text is that we have entered. OK, it will going to take out it. You got my point, right, all of you? So this is the way you can able to do it. For that print previous options you have. Once the spool request is generated, automatically that particular mail will be sent to the customer with the help of database connections and all. There is a tool. OK, now this is a demo server, right? You don't have any systems and all. OK, so this is the way you can able to do it, all of you. I mean, whatever the remainder things you have, I mean, like open items or for vendors or customers, anything. OK, so that is the IDES is nothing but the logo. Okay, company's logo. So this is the demos, right? So you don't have any logos and all. Okay, when it comes to the real time, we will going to have the logos. You got my point, right? So your organization logo will be appeared here. Then come back one step back. So this is the way you can able to see this spool request. I mean spool number with the help of spool number and all. Okay, automatically you can able to see the automatically that spool correspondent request with the help of invoice will be sent to the customers. You got my point, right? So simple example, all of you. So in the Mintra, so you have ordered the shirt or a pant or any item. OK, so once that thing is generated, automatically your invoice will be generated. OK, based on the jobs. OK, automatic jobs will be there. OK, I mean that is another thing. OK, automatically that once you order that any item. OK, that description of that item will be sent to your mail ID. You got my point, right? So this is the way you can able to do it. And it is one of the requirement from the clients and all. So that is why I'm telling. OK, so automatically that thing, a script will be generated. OK, no issue. Come back. So you can have this print preview. OK, no. Go to the transaction code F.61. Go to the transaction code F.61. Click on the enter and give the correspondence. Or else go to the system. Open the own spool requests. Already you have generated, right? Select this one. See, all of you. Whenever you are generating somewhat things and all, there is a print preview. OK, now when you go for first option, what is that first option? Left first option. It is a refresh. OK, then go to the display. Go to the display. That's fine. OK, no issue. Come back. Come back. After the spool number, you have the script form, right? Come back. After the spool request number 23631, you have the SAP script. Yeah, open that SAP script. So this is the SAP script. OK, that we have written. Come back. One step back. When you go for the display options and all, you can able to get it. That is your choice also. OK, so all of you, the thing is that give slash in. So this is the way you can able to generate the script forms. OK, so that is related to the correspondence, individual correspondence. Now what we will do is go to the transaction code OB79. Go to the transaction code OB79. And go to the position and take out your company code. Continue and continue it. No need to enter the and remove this document display. Go to the save button and save it. Go to the save button and save it. Give slash in. Go to the transaction code FBL5N. Go to the transaction code FBL5N. Now what we will do is give 10022. Double click on 10022 and go to this document header view. Document header. No. Tree option is there, right? Document overview. Yes. Click on the enter. Call up document. We can call it as. Go to the environment. Now go to the correspondence. So now What is the correspondence that you have, all of you? Okay, SAP 10 individual correspondence is there, but what is our correspondence? You don't have any correspondence, right? So for that one, go to the transaction code OB79 once again. Go to the transaction code OB79. Go to the transaction code OB79. Same thing. Go to the position and go to the position and take out the company code. Go to the continue option and take out the document display and go document display and go to the save button and save it. Go to the save button and save it. Now go back to the transaction code FBL5N. Go back to the transaction code FBL5N. Now continue it. Double click on this one. 1500. Go to the call up document overview. Now go to the environment. Now take out the correspondence. See, all of you, you are getting the thing. Okay, so give your customer number. Give your customer. What is that customer number you have? Have you remember it? 9399. 93. Copy that one. 9399 000103. 9399 000103. Okay, 103. Go to the continue option. Go to the continue option. So now it is allowing you to do the display on all options. Okay, all of you. Yeah, go to the yellow option. Now you can able to enter it. Okay, already we have entered that particular thing. Okay, while posting the document. Now it is not at all important. For your reference only, I am saying. Okay, so what is the importance of that particular tick marks and all? Got my point, right, all of you? So this is the way you can able to do it. Okay, so and after the you have the standard script forms. Okay, whenever you are having the standard script forms, what we will do, all of you. So you do one thing, give /n, go to the transaction code f.61. Go to the transaction code f.61. Now go to the system and own spool requesters. Go to the system and own spool requesters. Go to the system, take out this one, and after this thing, you will going to have the display doc contents. No. You have the script forms and you have this. After display, what is that particular thing? Okay, no issue. So you have this utilities. Okay, what we will do is you do one thing. Go to the transaction code FB70 and try to post the invoice. I will show you one thing also. Post one thing without having any correspondence and all. And give the 1000. Click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Now go to the transaction code FBL5N. Go to the transaction code FBL5N. Go to the transaction code FBL5N. FBL5N. Yeah, go to the execute option. Now double click on this 10023. Now go to the document call up document, and go to the environment. Go to the environment. Go to the correspondence, and give the 9399 000. Take out that one. 93. Give correct customer 9399 000. Okay, go to the yellow option. Close. Now here, all of you, whenever you are having this particular thing, okay, now I will show you one thing also. I mean how the SAP scripts will be imported. Okay, go up, go up, go up. No. Here, insert option is there, right? Insert option is there, right? Go up, go up. Here, refresh option, insert option, right side. Yes. So, and after that, you have program symbols. No. Remove it. Remove it. You have program symbols, right? Yes. So you don't have any program symbols, huh? Okay, remove it. Remove it. Remove it. No. After this, you have scripts form, that is program symbols. Yes. Take out the standard. And now go to the drop down option. Go to the drop down option. Now go to the execute option. No issue. Go to the execute option. Execute it. See, all of you, you have the standard systems and all. OK, so this is the way you can able to see it. It is a choice. OK, now what we will do is can we take out this particular thing? Like no, go up, go up. Take out this st, I mean slash after dmbe, you have is idex, right? That one. Take out that one, select that one and go to the continue option. Select it. Go to the continue option. Yeah, go to the continue option. No worries. So text will be included like this, all of you. You got my point, right? So in that particular text name, OK, so whenever you drop down it, automatically you will going to see the script forms. Here you can see the list of SAP standard script objects to send correspondence. For example, you have selected this one, all of you. OK, whenever you click on the continue option, it will going to do the SAP script details. OK, or else you can able to see with the standard letters using transaction code SO10. OK, so that is our choice. I will show you how we can able to create the requests and all. OK, don't worry. And after that, what we will do is go to the save button, go to the save button, go to the save button. Come back, one step back, one step back. Now save the details. So the individual correspondence for tech requested. Now what we will do is go to the system, go to the or else come back, go to the save button. Do one thing, double click on this one, double click on 10023 and go to the call up document, go to the call up document. Now go to the system, go to the system, go up system and own spool requests, own spool requests, own spool requests. So go to the display, go to the display, come down. So we have entered, come down. OK, no issue. Go up, come back, one step back, one step back. Only this request, come back, one step back. Now go to the transaction code FBL1N, sorry, FBL5N. Double click on 10023. Double click on 10023. And yeah, go to the call up document, go to the call up document. Go to the environment and go to the correspondence. Give the customer 93. Go to the continue option. Go to the continue option. So this is the most important point, all of you. For FI consultant, it is very, very important. Now, what we will do is there is a script forms we have, right? That is the symbols you have. OK, so no. Click on insert symbols. Click on insert symbols. Insert command. That is insert command. Insert it. You have the symbols and you have the commands. You don't have any symbols in all. I mean, why? Because we haven't created, right? OK, remove it. Remove it. Go to the SAP script. Go to the SAP standard script. Last option. Standard. Take out it. Yeah. Go to the text names. Continue it. Continue it. And take out this one. Same thing. ISIDXES. Select it and continue. Go to the continue option. No. It is you should give the English language also. You do one thing. Remove it. Remove this text. Complete text. Go to the SAP script, standard script. Give the text name. Go to the drop down option and take out that thing. Execute it. Select it and continue option. Select and continue. And go to the language EN. Language EN. Give EN and go to the continue option. OK, so was inserted as an include. OK, now go to the save button. Go to the save button. OK, now go to this print preview. Go up. There is a print preview. Yes. Give the LP01. Give the LP01. LP01. Go to this print or else print preview. See, this is the way you can able to get it off you. OK, document number, your customer number, date, contact number based on the scripts. OK, so this script is particularly related to the IDs, document numbers, your customer number, date, contact person like this. OK, so you can able to add direct scripts. Come back one step back. I mean, this is the choice we have. OK, for your reference only, I'm telling this is the choice we have. Or else you can directly enter the details. OK, come back one step back. One step back. Now what we will do is go to the print preview. Go to the print preview. Come back, no issue. Come back. Come back. Go to the save button and save it. Go to the save button and save it. Once again save it. Once again save it. No issue, no issue. And go to the system. Go to the system. Go to the system and go to the own spool requesters. OK, so it is not generating. We are in print preview only, right? Yeah, got it. Come back. One step back. No issue. One step back. OK, it is just a print preview, all of you. I mean, we need to enter it. I think so for that particular customer, we have already posted that thing, right? No issue. What we will do is there is a one more thing we need to update it. Go to the transaction code SO10. Go to the transaction code SO10. SO10. Click on the enter. So this is the standard text request. You can able to create it, all of you. That means give slash ZPRM ZPRM1 slash text. ZPRM1 slash text. Click on the enter. Click on the enter. Why you don't have any create options? Huh? Go to the execute option. You don't have names, right? Okay, give slash n. Give slash n. Go to the transaction code SO10. Go to the transaction code SO10. Click on the enter. Now give the text name. Give the text name slash ZPRM1 slash text. And there is a create option. RM slash text. There is a create option. Create. Come down, ma'am. Create option is visible, right? Hello. So this is the script, all of you. You got my point, right? So you can able to use this script. That is your choice. Same script. Write down, ma'am. Dear sir or ma'am, thank you for shopping with us. Dear sir or ma'am, thank you for shopping with us. Thank you for shopping with us. Regards your company. Regards your company. Regards your company. Okay, go to the save button and save it. Go to the save button and save it. Yes. Okay, come back. No issue. One step back. Now go to the drop down option. Go to the drop down option. Go to the drop down option. This text is there, right? Go to the execute option. Go to the execute option. Yeah. See, all of you, this name has been created. Now what we will do is give slash n. What we will do is give slash n. Give slash n. Go to the transaction code FB60. FB60 or FB70. Go to the transaction code FB70. We are doing it for the customers and anything also you can able to do it. No issues. Enter the customer. Enter the customer and invoice date. And give the reference correspondence. The next text. If you give the text, the next GL account and take out the amount and go to the environment and go to the state correspondence. Very important scenario, all of you, and go to the correspondence. Continue it. Hello. Now all of you, there is a SAP script. Okay, go up. Standard script is there, right? Select that symbol. Go to the drop down option. Go to the continue, execute it, and search for your thing. Drive to the downside. Select it and go to the continue option. Give language EN and go to the execute option. Now go to the save button. Go to the save button. Come back. Now go to the save button. Now go to the save button. Now give /n, go to the transaction code f.61. Go to the transaction code f.61. Now give the correspondence and give the company code. Give the company code and what is the document number and go to the new screen. This is the 24. Okay, no issue. Give the user. Give the user. Give the user. Right now go to the execute option. No issue. Go to the execute option. Go to the execute option. Now correspondent request were generated. Why? Remove the document number. Remove the document number and remove the fiscal year. Remove the fiscal year. Go to the execute option. Yes, click on the S. Give LP01. Go to the continue option. LP01. Give LP01. Go to the continue option. Okay, right. So select this one and go to the you don't have any displays. Check has been created. Okay, what you will do is go to the system. Go to the system. Own spool request is. Own spool request is. Second one is generated. What is that one? 23631. Oh, sorry, 23660. Go to the display. Yeah, go to the display. Right to the downside. Down. Okay, that request has been generated now. No issue. Come back. One step back. I think so. Select the 23631. No. 2134 has been generated. Yeah, got it. Okay, now it has been generated. Previously, we have generated with that line item display, right? All of you. Okay, that is generated now. Okay, come back. One step back. One step back. No issue. One step back. Go to the transaction code f.61. Go to the transaction code f.61. Now give the correspondence. Give the correspondence and company code. And give the user. And go to the take out the new screen. Go to the transaction code FBL1N. Sorry, FBL5N. FBL5N. Click on the enter. Go to the execute option. Execute option. For this 10024. Okay, try come to this site. Come to this thing. Come to the previous screen, ma'am. F.61. Now execute it. Now execute it. No correspondence request generated. Why? Okay, give /n. Give /n. Go to the transaction code that FPL5N. Already you have opened it, right? Double click on 10024. Double click on 10024. Go to the call up document. Call up document and go to the system. Sorry, environment. Environment. Go to the correspondence. Go to the correspondence and give the customer. Take out that one. Go to the continue option. Allow. Now go to the SAP standard script. SAP standard script. Drop down it. Go to the execute option. And nav, take out our own thing that we have created, right? Select it and continue it. Continue it. Continue. Give the English language. Continue. And go to the save button and save it. Now come back to the give /n, come back to the transaction code f.61. Go to the transaction code f.61. Now execute it. Now execute it. No issue. Why? Give /n. Give /n. Go back to the transaction code f.61. Give the correspondence, company code, and give company code. Give the user. Give the user. Close all these details. No issue, no issue. Go to the transaction code f.61. Give me 1 minute, all of you. We will close the session. Give /n. Go to the transaction code f.61. Give /n. Go to the transaction code f.61 and give the correspondence, company code, and user. Come down, user. Yeah. Go to the execute option. Go to the execute. Why you don't have any correspondent requesters? Give /n. Go to the transaction code FBL5N. Execute it. Double click on 10024. Call up document. Call up document and go to the environment. It is not saving up. Go to the correspondence. Give the customer 9399 00103. Go to the continue option. Go to the yellow. Go to the close. Go to the SAP standard script. Drop down option. Go to the drop down option. Go to the execute option and take out our script. Continue it. Continue it. Go to the save button. Was inserted and text has been saved temporarily in the main memory. See long text. Okay, go to the save button once again. Go to the save button once again. Okay, no issue. And take out the new screen. Take out the new screen. Go to the transaction code f.61 and now do it. Correspondence, company code, user. Go to the execute option. Why no correspondence request were selected? That's okay, but correspondence request is not selected. That is saying. Come back to the FBL5N. Come back to the FBL5N. This okay. Okay, you do one thing. Remove this one. Include a set PM text and all. Go to the insert option. Go to the insert. Symbols are not there. Okay. Remove it. Continue it. SAP characters will be there. Okay, remove it. Remove it. And go to the SAP script form. Why it is not saving? Go to the execute option. Execute it and take out our text. Take out our continue it. Don't give any languages. No. Continue it and go to the save button. Was inserted. Come back to that screen f.61. Come back to that screen. Now execute it. No issue. Execute it. Why no correspondence requests were generated? Set PRM1. Okay, got it. Why that thing is not generated? Okay, come back to the screen. Come back to that FBL5N screen. Come back to the FBL5N screen. Come back to the FBL5N screen. Ma'am, come back to the fiber. Okay. Share your screen, ma'am. Come back to this FBL5N screen. Go to this system. Go to the system. Own spool request is. I think so. We haven't created the own spool request test, so that is why it is giving the things. Okay, log on into the system. I mean, I will show you one thing all of you. Just give me 2 minutes, huh? Why? Because that spool request has not been generated, so that's why. Yeah, go to the FBL5N. FBL5N. Take out the customer account and take out the company code. Double click on this 10024 and go to the call up document overview. Call up document and go to the environment. Go to the environment. Go to the correspondence. Give the customer. Go to the continue option. Go to the continue option and allow. Okay, close. Just go to this insert. No. Come back. Go to the call up document and go to the environment and go to the correspondence and give the customer. Go to the continue. Now take out the SAP script, a standard script. Go to the continue option, continue, execute it, and take out our own standard script. And go to the continue option, continue it. Okay, right. Go to the save button. Go to the save button first. Go to the system. Go to the system. Go to the on spool requesters. Okay, come back. One step back. Two spool request. Okay, generated. Go to the f.61. Go to the f.61. Now give the correspondence and take out the company code and give the user. Execute it. Execute it. Why no correspondence request is for generated? Come back to the FBL5N. Come back to the FBL5N. It's not generating. Execute it. Double click on 10024. Call up document. Call up document. And go to the environment. Go to the environment. Take out the correspondence. Give the thing. Go to the continue option. Hello. Take out the SAP script forms. I think so. It is taking slowly. Continue it. Continue it. And go to the save button. Text has been saved temporarily in the main memory. That's fine. You have saved the text and application. When you leave the editor, go to text is also updated. Okay, purchase orders if you don't have. Okay, remove it. Why this one is not generated? Go to the print preview. Go to the print preview. Give LP01. Give LP01. Go to the print. I think so. This one is not. Go to the print. Right. Come back. One step back. One step back. Okay. Device has been sent to spool request. Come back. One step back. Go to the system. Go to the system and go to the on spool request. On spool request. No. Come back. One step back. Go to the system. System on spool request will be there. System on spool request. Only two requests are there, and we need to define the third request. Okay, third request has been generated. 23677. Okay, select it and go to the display option. So this is the way you can able to get the script, all of you. You got my point, right? So, I mean, with the help of electronic data interchanges and all, automatically that will be sent to the customers addresses or else customer mail addresses or anything. Okay, so there will be one tool. I mean, not the tool, it is included in the SAP. Okay, we will just maintain those mail IDs and all. Okay, end user will know it. I mean, if we have the access, I can able to show you. But this is the demo server, right? You don't have any option to see the I mean data tools. So that is why we are in script forms. Okay, how we can able to create the scripts and all based on our own requests. Okay, so this is the way you can able to do it, all of you. For image insert also you can able to have the one thing. Okay, and for main text, for I mean header text and main headings. Okay, text and last headings, everything will be scripted. in SAP system based on this pull requested jobs. Okay, so this is the way you can able to do it.